Yo, what's happening, everybody? Big T here with Big T Cooking. Thank you very much for checking out my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to cover some random food facts. One, we're going to cover some facts on some cheese. Two, we're going to cover some facts on some Russian or beer in Russia and red food dye, along with some crackers. So we're going to get started right now. I'm going to share out some random food facts. Some pretty cool stuff. Maybe some of y'all know, maybe some of you didn't. But cheese, cheese been around for a long time. Cheese, for those of you who don't know, is the most stolen food in the world. Imagine that, cheese. 4% of the world's cheese is stolen. Okay, people like some cheese now. Okay, cheese is so bad with thieves, there's even a black market for cheese. Okay, random fact number one. Random food fact number two. Russia. Okay, I happen to be a Floridian. I don't live in Russia, so I really didn't know much about this. But Russia took a long time to clarify beer as being alcoholic, having alcohol. Okay, it wasn't until 2013 that beer and other alcohol under 10% ABV was classified as a soft drink. Okay, up until 2013, all that was classified as a soft drink. So you could literally walk around the street, out in the plaza, what have you, shopping, whatever, and anything under 10% alcohol volume was considered a soft drink. Now, this Budweiser right here, well, let's just take a quick look, see what he says. Hell with it. It really don't make much of a difference because it's alcohol and I'm drinking one. Cheers. If you have one, enjoy it. Okay. Now, American cheese, it's not American. Okay. It's processed cheese. It's thought of as an American product, but it's actually invented in Switzerland. Okay. It's created by a dude. His name was Waltz Gerber and Fritz Stettler. Okay. It was used to fill to strengthen the shelf life before it was shipped overseas. Okay. So that's American cheese is not really American. Okay. But anyways, it's still good and I still like it. I still eat it. Random food fact number 4. Never even thought about this my whole life. Okay. Red food dye. Anybody out there know anything about red food dye? Do you? Okay. Let's just reference red food dye for Skittles is made from boiled beetles. Okay. It's a common red food dye, carminic acid. Okay. It's made from the crushed bodies of a beetle called Dactylopus coccus. Okay, so any of y'all can say that, more power to you. I have a problem. I have a hard time saying it. But this acid is used in maraschino cherries, strawberry, raspberry flavored candy, and lipstick. Ladies, lipstick. So think about that next time you have some Skittles or strawberry, raspberry flavored candy, or you putting that lipstick across them lips. Okay? That's random food fact number 4. Random food fact number 5. Okay? Crackers, as I mentioned up front. Crackers. I enjoy a good saltine cracker, Ritz cracker, cheese and crackers, peanut butter crackers, just about damn near anything with crackers. I like it. Okay. But I never knew that crackers was worse for your teeth than sugar. Okay. Acid is the biggest cause of sugar delay, or acid is the biggest cause of tooth decay, not sugar. Okay. Now, crackers tend to stick to your teeth, which ends up becoming a breeding ground for bacteria. Who knew? Okay. Crackers. Anyways, look at here. I'm Big T. Those are today's random food facts. Cheese, beer in Russia, okay, red food dye. Who the hell knew about that? Okay, boiled beetles. I don't know where the people come up with this stuff. And crackers. Okay. Hey, listen here. Take a second, hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, drop me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of today's fun food facts. Did you know anything about cheese? Are you stealing cheese? Have you ever been to Russia? Did you know that their beer was considered a soft drink up until 2013? Have you ever eaten a Skittle? Probably have. I think I've eaten bags of them in my lifetime. Okay. Ever used strawberry or raspberry flavored candy for anything? Lipstick, ladies, and crackers. Who knew crackers was worse for you than sugar? Anyways, folks, thanks for checking out the random food facts for the day. Hey, hopefully I shared something with you. Maybe you knew, maybe you didn't know. You can pass that on to somebody in the future. In the meantime, drop me a comment below. Thanks for chilling out. Hey, if you want to buy me a cold beer, smash that link down below in the description. You can buy me a cold beer. As soon as I hit $20 worth, I'll fill up the fridge and we'll have another one together. Okay? Peace out. Big T. Have a good day.